নমস্কাৰ সত্যৰঞ্জন বৰা প্ৰেসিডেন্ট অফ কুটুম্ব सुरक्षा परिषद। खासी स्टूडेंट यूनियन ने मेघालय में जो किया, शिलोंग में जो किया, हम सभी ने देखा। The kind of brutality, the kind of stupidity they have done, the way they smushed the Assam registered cards, they attacked the tourists, they vandalize the national ideals, the statue of Swami Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. They have proved it that they are not a student union, they are simply a group of terrorist minds. My dear friends, they try to be isolated, they want to be isolated, so make them isolated this time. Let them feel the pulse of the people of this nation. Every time, in and every time, they have been demolishing, they have been defying, they have been devaluing the Constitution of India. Just let me go through the Article 51A of the Constitution of India. What it says, Article 51A says, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. What they did, the stupid Khasi student groups, the people who belongs to Khasi Student Union, I utterly say that I would like to clearly make them as with the word stupid. What they did, they demolished, they smashed the national ideals. Who were they? Swami Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Do you think Khasi Student Union, they are only Bengali leaders? Oh no. So stupidity you have, Khasi Student Union, all the people who are supporting this Khasi Student Union. Bir Tikendrojit is not a Manipuri hero. Placid Borfukon is not only a Assamese hero. Birsa Munda not only a hero of Adivasis. Maharaj Shivaji is not a hero for Maharashtra. These are nation's hero. These are our hero. If you cannot recognize them as your heroes, that means you are against the Constitution of India, you are against the nation, and you are strongly doing anti-national activities. So you must be banned under the National Security Act. Further, what Article 51A(b) says, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Who did? Have you struggled to get the freedom from Britishers? Else what are you doing? You are following the path of Britishers, divide the society, smash the society, killing the people, common people. You are defaming, devalue the national freedom fighters of this nation. And what she says, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity of integrity of India. Are you doing that? Khasi Student Union and especially Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Are you practicing this? Are you implementing Article 51A, which is the fundamental duties of every citizen of India? Do you believe you are a citizen of India? If you believe you are a citizen of India, then why all these fundamental duties are not seen in your activities, in your behaviors? What Article 51D says, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Where is your national service? You are vandalizing the statue of Swami Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Are you concerned for national security? Are you concerned for national integrity? Are you concerned for the nation? You are sick mentality people, Khasi Student Union. And especially Conrad Sangma, you are a failed CM. You are immature CM. Because in your state, Article 51A, no one from your community, from all the Khasi student unions, no one is practicing this Article 51A, no one is abide by Article 51A of the Constitution. Then what does it say? In Article 51A(e), to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. You attack the child in your so-called rally. You attack the woman in your so-called rally. You have shown your stupidity. You have shown your terrorist activities. Those people in Pahalgam who were from Pakistan, it's okay. They, from another country, they came here and killed our people. But you are the main culprits who are inside this country. You kind of people, Khasi student kind of people, all other people who believe in the Khasi student union's mindset, the terror minds, all are more dangerous than those Pahalgam terrorists. I strongly say that yes, taking the responsibility, I am Khaityaranjan Bora, clearly say these things. You are more dangerous than those culprits, those terrorists who killed the people in Pahalgam, because they are outsiders, but you are inside the country and you are आप खोखला कर रहे हो पूरा भारत के सिस्टम को और खोखला कर रहे हो पूरा देश को. And Article 51F, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. What is our composite culture, brother? Do you think spreading Christian mentality, spreading Christian Catholic missionaries' message is your commitment to the culture? This is your sick mentality. You are sick, brothers. Take some treatment. Go to the hospital. So, by this video, I request the Honorable Home Minister of this country, kindly look into this matter. I am going to write a letter to Home Secretary and Honorable Home Minister of this country to impose ban on this Khasi student union and all other agencies, all other groups who have been not practicing Article 51A. By this time, I would like to request Law Minister of this India, of this country, to make it enforceable. Article 51A must be enforceable. If anyone found to be not abide by Article 51A, he must be punished immediately. He must be booked under National Security Act. Namaskar.